Welcome back to Overheat. The 2026 Dodge 6x6 Motorhome is an opulent adventure that conquers the landscape. Outside, complete 6x6 drive, the most noticeable feature is the harsh off-road tires on 6 huge wheels. Most likely, the RV will have a modular body constructed of composite materials that are lightweight and incredibly durable. This RV will have an extremely high ground clearance because it is built to overcome obstacles. When off-roading, thick steel armor plates will shield important parts beneath the body from rocks or other debris. LED light bars are integrated into the vehicle's sides and roof, fitted with a strong roof rack to hold a small inflatable boat or other equipment. A large fuel tank allows for a longer range. Kitchen features include a convection oven, microwave, a full-size refrigerator with freezer, a huge sink with hot and cold water taps, and a multi-burner induction cooktop. Plenty of room to store groceries and utensils. A queen-size or king-size bed with a premium mattress will be in the master bedroom. A big TV with a retractable screen. The cabin is made entirely of high-quality materials. Driven by a Cummins turbocharged diesel engine with a high capacity that has been tuned to produce remarkable torque for navigating difficult terrain and hauling heavy loads. Sophisticated heavy-duty automatic gearbox. Either with run-flat tires or a CTIS system, which is highly helpful for navigating between diverse terrains and enables the driver to change tire pressure from inside the cabin. Almost every feature of the motorhome will be controlled by a single touchpad or smartphone app. A sizable lithium-ion battery bank, a silent diesel generator, and a high-capacity solar panel system on the roof, possibly foldable or extendable or all. Available: automatic emergency braking, lane departure warning, blind spot monitoring, a night vision camera, a full airbag system, and other active and passive safety systems are available. Satellite technology for global communications and high-speed internet, along with a cellular signal booster.